Hello all. This tutorial will help you to understand the concept of a family file and how to manage the Revit family files. First, about Revit families. A Revit family is a group of elements with a common set of properties, called parameters, and a related graphical representation. All of the elements that you add to your Revit projects are created with families. For example, the structural members, walls, roofs, windows, and doors that you use to assemble a building model, as well as the callouts, fixtures, tags, and detail components that you use to document it, are all created with families. Second, to create a new family. Click File on the menu. Click New. Click Family. Select a template from Library. Create the model and parameter. A beginner-level Revit user may elect not to create a new family due to the complexity of the process. Instead, you may want to start with a family that has similar attributes and edit accordingly. Third, to load family files from the Revit library. Click Load Family from Insert tab, under Load from Library panel. Find the library folder from your computer. Select a family or families to load. Click Open. Then, you can confirm and find the loaded families from the project browser under the family category. You can load as many families as possible, but you should consider file size. Fourth, find and download Revit families from external sources. The instructor recommends this list of the website. BIM Object. Manufacturer upload Revit family files. This website is previously named Autodesk Seek. Most of the files are reliable, some advertisements are added. Revit City. The users shared the Revit family in this website. Many designers, practitioners, and students use this website. Some files may cause issues to your project. BIMsmith. Mix of free and paid Revit families. Great collection of products. NBS National BIM Library. UK-based the best BIM object website, manufacturer's website. Most reliable but hard to find out. Last, Purge Revit families. Family management is one of the keys to managing your Revit file. If you want to delete unused family files, click Purge Unused from the Manage tab. Use caution when using this function, you will lose all family and views you are not using. I recommend you make a copy or save as the original file and purge unused. Click Purge Unused number of items checked until 0. The file size is reduced, then you have a lighter file to handle. I hope this tutorial helps you to understand the concept of a family file and how to manage the Revit family files. Thank you.